Imagine a future where driving an electric car is not just a privilege, but an affordable choice for millions of people. This is the scenario that the Tesla Model 2 promises to bring. Scheduled to be launched in June 2025, this model could hit the market with a starting price of an incredible $10,050 after tax incentives. It seems like an almost impossible value for a Tesla vehicle, a brand known for its innovation and premium performance. However, that is exactly what is being planned, a car that could revolutionize the concept of accessibility in the world of electric vehicles. But how will it be possible to offer a Tesla for such a low price? This value will not just be a marketing ploy. Tesla will be developing an aggressive strategy to make the Model 2 not only affordable, but also highly competitive. The secret will be a combination of advanced technologies, mass production, and economies of scale. The promise will be that the Model 2 will maintain the same quality that made the brand famous, but with a much more accessible proposal for the public. The idea is to transform the Tesla Model 2 into a truly popular electric car, a model that will be within reach of people who never imagined driving a Tesla. And the most impressive thing is that this accessibility will not come at the expense of quality. The Model 2 will be equipped with advanced technologies, improved safety, and efficient performance, features that Tesla fans expect in every model. All of this, of course, with the touch of innovation that Elon Musk and his team always seek. However, the Model 2 is not just about offering a cheap car. Tesla is planning to redefine the concept of value in an electric vehicle. It will be a model where every dollar invested will bring returns in fuel savings, reduced maintenance, and advanced technology. Buyers will not only be acquiring a car, but a technological ecosystem that will constantly evolve, thanks to Tesla's software updates. And when it comes to accessibility, tax incentives will be a fundamental piece of this puzzle. In the United States, the Model 2 will be able to benefit from a series of discounts that will further reduce the final price. From federal credits that top $7,500 to state incentives that can stack, the effective price could drop to less than $7,000 in some regions. It will be a real revolution for anyone who wants an electric car without spending a fortune. Transparency will also be another strong point of the Model 2. Unlike traditional sales methods, where the advertised price is often just the starting point for a series of additional fees and costs, the Model 2's pricing will be straightforward and clear. What you see is what you pay. No nasty surprises, no hidden fees. Just the true value of a modern electric vehicle. To make the Tesla Model 2 an affordable yet profitable car, Tesla will be relying on a revolutionary production strategy. At the heart of this plan will be the gigantic 50,000-ton Gigapress, a casting machine capable of molding up to 10 bodies in a single production run. This will be the key to achieving efficiency never before seen in the automotive industry. With this technology, the Model 2 will be able to be mass-produced at an impressive rate, which will allow for drastic reductions in unit costs. The Gigapress will not only be a production machine, but a key part of Tesla's manufacturing philosophy. By fusing large parts of the car into a single piece, assembly time will be drastically reduced. Instead of hundreds of individual parts that need to be welded, fitted, and inspected, the Model 2 will be built with entire sections that come out of the Gigapress virtually finished. This will not only reduce production time, but also reduce the number of components that can fail, making the car more reliable. The use of Gigapress will also enable a modular approach to manufacturing the Model 2. It will be like building a car using giant Lego bricks, where the die-cast sections will fit together with millimeter precision. This will ensure that every car produced will be virtually identical in terms of quality and finish, something that many automakers still dream of achieving. It will be a revolution in electric vehicle production, and the Model 2 will be the first Tesla model to benefit from this technology on a large scale. And the impact of this strategy will be felt directly in consumers' pockets. With faster and more streamlined production, Tesla will be able to reduce manufacturing costs without compromising quality. Instead of investing in labor for complex assembly, the company will be investing in intelligent automation. This will allow the Model 2 to be sold at an incredibly low price, while maintaining the quality that is expected of a Tesla. But it won't just be the Gigapress that will make the Model 2 a production phenomenon. Tesla will be planning unprecedented scale for this model. The goal will be to produce up to 50 million units over the years, far surpassing any other model of the brand. This impressive number will not only be a bold ambition, but a goal that will be within reach thanks to the efficiency of Gigapress and the global network of factories that Tesla will be establishing. And this mass production won't just be about volume. With more cars produced, Tesla will be able to negotiate better prices with suppliers, reduce logistics costs, and optimize the use of materials. Each Model 2 will come off the production line at a lower cost than the previous model, and these savings will be passed directly to consumers. Tesla's strategy for the Model 2 will not just be a matter of mass production. It will involve a global approach, with factories strategically located on 4 continents. In the United States, the gigantic gigafactories in Texas and Mexico will be mainly responsible for feeding the North American market. Mexico, in particular, will be a key player thanks to its low production costs and proximity to the United States, allowing for agile and efficient logistics. In Europe, the Berlin factory will be responsible for supplying the European continent with the Model 2, ensuring that local consumers do not have to wait for long transatlantic shipments. Tesla will not only be focusing on quantity, but also on speed. Decentralized production will allow the Model 2 to be manufactured and delivered in record time, adapting to the demands of each market. And in Asia, the Shanghai Gigafactory will be the heart of production, ensuring supply to Asian markets and especially to the giant Chinese market. This global strategy will not just be a matter of practicality. By distributing production across different regions, Tesla will be reducing its exposure to currency fluctuations, import tariffs, and political instability. If one region faces difficulties, the others can compensate. And more than that, local production will allow the Model 2 to meet country-specific tax incentive requirements, making it even more affordable for consumers. And what's even more impressive is how quickly these factories will be operational. With its modular production model, Tesla will be able to quickly transform a facility into a fully functional factory. Instead of years of building and adjusting a new plant, the process could take just a few months. This will be possible thanks to the standardized design of the production lines, which can be replicated anywhere in the world, ensuring consistency and efficiency. The factory in Mexico, for example, will be a real landmark. With more than 8 million square meters, it will be planned to be one of the largest and most efficient electric vehicle factories in the world. It will not only feed the American market, but also allow Tesla to export the Model 2 to other countries at competitive costs. It will be a lean and optimized operation, where every square meter will be planned to maximize production. And it won't just be a question of quantity. The quality will also be guaranteed. Tesla will be applying its rigorous quality control standards at each of these factories, using artificial intelligence to monitor each step of the production process. Smart sensors will be on each assembly line, ensuring that each Model 2 comes out with the quality expected from a Tesla. This will mean that regardless of where the Model 2 is manufactured, Texas, Mexico, Berlin, or Shanghai, consumers will receive the same level of excellence. Furthermore, this global approach will allow Tesla to quickly adjust production to meet demand in each region. If demand is higher in Europe, the Berlin factory can increase production. If the Asian market grows faster, the Shanghai Gigafactory can increase production. This flexibility will be a competitive advantage that few automakers can match. But no electric car is truly complete without efficient battery technology. And the Tesla Model 2 will be no exception. To ensure a perfect balance between cost and performance, Tesla will be adopting a specific battery technology, LFP, lithium iron phosphate batteries. Although they may not be the most advanced in terms of energy density, these batteries will offer something even more important to the Model 2: affordability, safety, and durability. LFP batteries will be known for their longevity and high temperature resistance, which will be ideal for a car that will be used by millions of people around the world. Best of all, even with a 53 kilowatt-hour capacity, the Model 2 will still be able to deliver an impressive range of up to 250 miles, approximately 402 kilometers, on a single charge. This means that for everyday use, most drivers will be able to go days without having to worry about recharging. But what will really draw attention will be the reload speed. Thanks to an optimized fast charging system, Model 2 will be able to charge from 0 to 80% in just 10 to 20 minutes. For those who are used to the time it takes to fill up a gasoline car, this may seem like an eternity. But for an electric car, it will be a real revolution. Imagine stopping for a coffee, and when you return, your car is ready to drive for hundreds more kilometers. And this efficiency will not just be a matter of convenience. It will be directly linked to the cost of ownership of the Model 2. With an LFP battery, the vehicle will have a longer useful life, as these batteries can withstand thousands of charge cycles without losing a significant amount of capacity. This means that, even after years of use, the Model 2 will still offer respectable autonomy. Another interesting point will be Tesla's decision to produce these batteries locally in partnership with regional suppliers. In the United States, for example, production will take place in Nevada, ensuring that the Model 2 meets the requirements to receive tax incentives from the American government. This will not only be a matter of financial strategy, but also a way to protect the company against fluctuations in global raw material prices. And for consumers, it will mean more than just an affordable electric car. It will mean a reliable vehicle with a battery designed to last, maintain its capacity, and deliver consistent performance over the years. And for those who still have doubts about durability, just remember that these LFP batteries will be used in other Tesla models, such as the Model 3 and Model Y, which have already proven their value over millions of kilometers around the world. And if you think Tesla will be skimping on battery quality to reduce the price, you'd be wrong. The LFP cells that will be used in the Model 2 will be state-of-the-art, offering higher energy density compared to previous versions. This means the car will be lighter and more efficient, without sacrificing safety or performance. And this lightness will directly translate into greater range and better drivability. But it's not just battery technology that will shine in the Tesla Model 2. Efficiency and cost of ownership will be other strengths of this revolutionary model. Unlike combustion-powered cars, the Model 2 will require no constant maintenance, no oil to change, no spark plugs to replace, no exhaust to repair. The simplicity of an electric motor will eliminate many of the problems that gasoline-powered drivers face. And that's just the beginning of the savings. The Model 2's operating costs will be incredibly low. For starters, the cost per mile of fuel will be a fraction of what it costs to buy a gasoline-powered car. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on gas each month, Model 2 owners will pay just a few dollars to charge the battery, especially if they take advantage of reduced-rate electricity rates. It's like having access to a nearly free fuel source. And the savings won't stop at fuel. Maintenance costs will also be dramatically lower. because Model 2 will be built with a simplified structure and optimized components. There will be fewer parts subject to wear and tear. No combustion engine, no exhaust system, no complex transmission. All of this will significantly reduce repair and maintenance costs over the life of the vehicle. To give you a clearer idea, Tesla will be estimating that Model 2 owners will save up to $11,500 over 5 years, compared to those who drive a regular gasoline car. And these savings could be even greater for those who drive long distances, as the cost per kilometer driven for an electric car will be significantly lower than that of a combustion car. For many people, the Model may second not only be the cheapest car to buy, but also the cheapest to maintain. But the real magic will come in the combination of economy and performance. Model 2 will not only be affordable to maintain, it will be efficient and agile. With its lightweight design and advanced battery, it will deliver responsive handling and acceleration that will leave many conventional cars behind. And all this with optimized energy consumption, ensuring that every kilowatt hour of electricity is used as efficiently as possible. And this efficiency will not just be a question of technology. It will be a conscious choice by Tesla, which will be designing the Model 2 to be an affordable car without compromising on performance or quality. It will be a car that anyone can drive, but which will offer a driving experience worthy of a Tesla. And this will be something that few competitors will be able to match. Another point that will ensure this efficiency will be the improved aerodynamics of the Model 2. With a compact and fluid design, it will cut through the air with ease, reducing drag and increasing autonomy. And the use of lightweight and resistant materials will ensure that the car is safe without being heavy, further improving energy consumption. It will be a car that, despite being affordable, will offer a refined driving experience. But what will really make the Tesla Model 2 stand out will be its minimalist design and high technology. Unlike traditional cars, the Model 2 will be designed to be simple, elegant, and functional. No excesses, no complications. Its design will be clean and modern, with smooth lines and a compact silhouette that will make it perfect for both urban streets and open roads. And despite its small size, it will offer optimized internal space, ensuring comfort for drivers and passengers. This simplicity will not just be an aesthetic issue. It will be directly linked to the vehicle's efficiency. Model 2 will be built with an extremely simplified structure made up of just 80 structural parts, thanks to Gigapress large-scale casting technology. This will reduce the weight of the vehicle and increase its resistance, ensuring safety and stability even at high speeds. Plus, fewer parts will mean fewer points of failure, making the car more reliable in the long run. And the interior will be no different. The Model 2's cabin will follow Tesla's minimalist design philosophy, with a clean dashboard and a large central screen that will control virtually all of the car's functions. It will be like being in a smart device on wheels. Navigation, music, weather, and even self-driving features will be just a tap away. And of course, all of these functions will be constantly updated through software updates, ensuring the car is always up to date with the latest innovations. But what will really catch the eye will be the driver assistance technology. The Model 2 will be equipped with Tesla's full self-driving FSD system, a technology that will allow the car to perform a series of driving tasks autonomously. This doesn't mean the car will drive itself all the time, but it will offer advanced safety features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and more. For many drivers, it will be like having an invisible co-pilot always at their side. And connectivity will also be a strong point. The Model 2 will always be connected to Tesla's network, allowing owners to access software updates, check the vehicle status, and even control certain functions remotely through an app on their smartphone. It will be like having a car that evolves over time, receiving new features and improvements without the owner having to do anything. Another detail that will not go unnoticed will be the panoramic glass. The Model 2 can be equipped with a glass roof that will offer a stunning view of the sky, making every trip more enjoyable. But it won't just be a question of aesthetics. The glass will be reinforced with UV and heat protection technology, ensuring the interior remains comfortable even on the hottest days. But if there is one thing that will make the Tesla Model 2 a true phenomenon, it will be its transparent pricing policy and irresistible incentives. From the beginning, Tesla will be committed to ensuring that the announced price of $10,050 is not just a marketing number, but an affordable reality for millions of people. And the most impressive thing will be that this value will not be a bait-and-switch move, where the initial price turns into something much more expensive after hidden fees and charges. With the Model 2, what you see is exactly what you pay for. The key will be a combination of tax incentives and a direct-to-consumer sales approach. In the United States, the federal government will offer a $7,500 tax credit for qualifying electric vehicles, and the Model 2 is perfectly positioned to take advantage of that benefit. In many states, buyers will also be able to count on additional incentives that will further reduce the final price. In regions like New York and California, for example, these state incentives could add up to $4,500, bringing the effective price of the Model 2 down to less than $7,000. And it won't just be the government that will help reduce the price of the Model 2. Many electric utilities will offer discounts to customers who purchase electric vehicles, such as rebates that can range from $500 to $1,200. For anyone who is already thinking about swapping their gasoline car for an electric one, the Model 2 will be an almost irresistible opportunity. It will be a car that will not only cost less to buy, but will also be incredibly cheap to maintain and operate. But Tesla isn't just offering a cheap car. It's offering a seamless, hassle-free buying experience. Unlike traditional methods where consumers have to deal with dealerships, negotiate prices, and deal with unexpected fees, the Model 2 will be sold directly to consumers online. With just a few clicks, anyone can choose a model, configure the details, and complete the purchase. Best of all, the price will be clear and straightforward, with no unpleasant surprises. And this simplicity won't just be a matter of convenience. It'll also be a way to save money. By cutting out the middleman, Tesla will be able to keep prices low and ensure that consumers only pay for what they really want. There will be no setup fees, no mandatory accessories, and no other hidden costs that many dealerships add to the final price. What the customer sees on the website is what they pay upon delivery. But what will really set the Model 2 apart will be its combination of low price and quality. Unlike many economy cars, which sacrifice technology and comfort to keep prices low, the Model 2 will offer advanced features like Tesla's driver assistance system and automatic software updates. It'll be a car that costs little but offers a lot.